I am an electrician and I have been in the profession for 7 years. I'm currently doing electrical work in modular houses. When I have to do holes in wood, drywall, or sandwich plate, I use this one, mainly to run electrical wiring through walls. These hole saws are used with the power change plus adapter. It's very easy to fit with one click. You don't need diameter adapters. Removing the plug is easy. You do like this and it comes out. The teeth are very hard. It has a long service life. But you must be careful with the revolution. I think I only know 2 people who use it well. People tend to use the drill on maximum speed and to press a lot. And of course, they burn the whole saw quickly. But if you use it at the right revolution, in wood, 2000 RPM, much slower in stainless steel, it will work very, very nice. It's not me saying it. Just look at the blister pack. One day, I saw a colleague working on metal, and the whole saw was squeaking. And I told him to go slower and without pushing. And he told me that it was going to take longer. It doesn't take longer. If you use it on the right way, you are more comfortable, you don't get tired, you do more holes, so you go faster. It takes you no time to change the hole saw with the adapter. It cuts quickly and lasts a long time. I'm sticking with the Progressor hole saw.